Tapos i-post din ako. Diretso na.
Game na.
Ipadula na ba dito? Ipadula niyo.
It's play. It's play. Tumala to Rodriguez. Nogo, depan Sabilina. 2 points, Sabilina. Labitan, sorry. Sorry. Labitan.
Patutuya!
Nogo, depan Labitan to Tumala.
Asa mo din yung team nito eh?
Tumala,
Yung Marcos?
Tumira ng 3.
Kasi ko ba yung kabalo?
Dili.
Nakuha ni
Marcos si Rodriguez.
Kisa mo na yung first 5 ninyo?
Arellano. Nakuha ni Tumala. Dribble the ball. Nagmadali si Tumala, pinasa ka Rodriguez. 2 points ni Rodriguez.
Hoy, dili ni Andrea ka maisan ha. Tawa to.
Si Mini to si Ario. Si Kabalo. Nakuha ni Rodriguez. Nagmamadali. Kinakuha ni Kabalo. Nagmamadali si Antolo. 2 points. Antolo. Long pass by Tumala. 3 points by Tumala. Simene, bibili na buong awal. Simene, nga lang nakapasaan. Pinasa ka Antolo.
Dada yung sapatos ba?
15 seconds shot clock.
Pumatay.
15 seconds shot clock. 10 shot clock. Nagmamadali sa Tumala to! Steal by Arellano go. Dribble ball, nagmamadali sa Arellano.
Saan eh? Saan yung na-block si Arellano? Oh.
Labitan, dribble ball, Labitan to Rodriguez. No good. Rebound by Rodriguez again. Rodriguez pass to Tumala. 2 points. Tumala. Antolo sa Gario.
Alaka! Be! Luwa sabi?
Tumala.
Patay.
Tumala to 3, bawi. 3 points, Tumala. Pass to Antolo, naglalagay si Antolo, doing the ball. Naghanap na kapasan, jumper. No good, rebound.
Harap na, sir.
Tamparo. Tamparo to Ukod to Tamparo. Sagario. Sayang man to. Sagario, 2 points by Sagario. Tamparo, bibig mo, Tamparo. Tumala. Umiskarte ng 3. No good. Okay. Last touch by Tamparo. Save ball.
Kapoy na sir.
3 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 39 in favor of Team C. 12-9 favor of Team C. Sagario for 3. No good. Rebound by Cabalo. No good. Rebound by Simene. Dumiskarte. Simene. No good. Labitad, dumiskarte sa Labitad, blocking foul, counted, nag-isang pang foul. Arellano, first team foul, Arellano. Okay, last to. Jumper, last.
Time out.
Time out. Si Mini. Pasto Arellano. Dribbling po. Arellano to Antulo. Antulo to Caballo. Caballo. No good. Rebound by Ocho. Ocho to Tamparo. Tamparo. Naghanap na kapasal. Oh! Traveling violation ni Rebel Pagay. Double dribble. Tamparo. Inbound Arellano. Arellano to Antulo. Antulo to Arellano. 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 Pinasa sila sa Gario. 2 points sa Gario.
Pilde magodi ang kuan god Godzilla.
Tamparo. Tamparo to Labitan. Labitan to Tumala. Tumala to Tamparo. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Short punch. No good. Rebound by Tamparo. 2 points. Tamparo. Makin. Si Mini. Si Mini. Si Mini. Pass to Antulo. Antulo to Arellano. Arellano for 3. 3 points. Arellano. Labitan. Labitan. Jangan madali si Labitan. 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 Dribbling mo at natang basahan. Pinasasya. Tumala. Tumala. Tumala to Sagario. Sagario. No good. Oh, good. Riano, pass to Caballo. Oh, may kasama pang foul by Rodriguez.
Asa ka dula mon?
Hello.
Silang.
Korban, okay na mo dyan? Guys, okay na mo dyan, guys? Disco na, guys.
Purman. Imo sa Purman. Parang gapo kay tiyo ba?
Caballo.
Habloy.
Nak. Labitan. Pass to Tamparo for 3. Wala. Uy, kuhaga po niya. Labitan, jump shot. Uy. But there's a foul. Foul number 23. Antolo, you have first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws by Mr. Labitan. Guys, okay na nila guys? Mr. On? Ada lagi, buku giluan. Foul counted. Caballo. Was fouled. Foul open. First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw by Mr. Caballo. Time remaining 56 seconds in the first quarter.
Go!
Caballo, yes.
Nagkamera pa.
Counted.
Chill lang siya.
Mr. Rodriguez.
Chill.
50 seconds. Rodriguez, jump shot. Short. 36 seconds. Si Mini to Arellano.
Itsa.
40
Itsa, bisa
seconds.
kapigi. Itsa.
16 seconds to shoot. Antonio for 3. Wala. Rebound na ni sa Tamparo. 30 seconds. Arellano steal. Pass to Caballo. Caballo to Antonio layup. Ay, wala. Rebound by Lapitan. 20 seconds. Lapitan.
Ayaw!
To Tamparo. To Ogon. To Lapitan. Jump shot. Yes, 2 points. 7 seconds remaining. Caballo. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 44, Labitad. First personal foul, third team foul. 4 free throws by Mr. Caballo. Time remaining, 0.9 seconds. Caballo, first attempt. Lawak. Balihon, wala. Second attempt.
Torres. 19 21 Dre.
Arellano, to Caballo. Antolo, 2 points. Mr. Antolo score 23-19. 4-point lead by Team Toyens. Oh, last touch. Caballo to
Tigas toy. Tunga toy.
Antolo, yes, 2 points. Ha? Good. Wala man nagpito. To score 19-25. Tumala. Tumala, jump shot, yes.
Kau ba di mo ni Monmon Bray?
Mr. Tumala.
Hubog na muna ah.
Namawa. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Barco. Tumala. Tumala. Yes, 2 points. Back to back. Score 25-23. Time remaining 4 minutes 50 seconds in the second quarter. Toyens to Caballo for fake. To Antonio for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Labitad. Labitad. Good dribble. Pass to Tumala. 15 seconds to shoot. Is still by Antonio. To Toyens. Layup. Yes. Toyens. 2 points. The scoring rushing machine. Tumala for 3. Wala short. Variable rebound. Number 16. Wow, what a reverse. Wala. Rebound. Foul. Counted. Who's fouled? Number.
Grabe, may lumaylo Monmon bay. Tulo na katanduay select na.
Personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw by Mr. Tumala. Time remaining 4 minutes. Tumala. Wala. Rebound. Yes, 2 points. Tabla na. 27 all. Arellano. Arellano for 3. 3 points. Arellano. Mr. Labitad. Labitad. Tumala. For 3. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Bagay sa foul number 16. Baguio.
Time out daw, Toyens.
Time out. Time Toyens. Arellano. Tunamawa. Hey! Toyens. Alright. Traveling by Toyens. Grabe kay Toyens, bay. Apa? Biasa. Murah naman ko nag-5. Full cup. Igor ako ki Unjo Tagula wala gipasa sa referee. Mr. Tumala. Time remaining 3 minutes 20 seconds. Tumala. Todo Barco. Hey! to Baguio for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Labitad. Labitad. Pasabit pa. Foul on number 23, Antolo. Second personal foul, second team
Ay,
foul.
luman ng third quarter.
Bonus
Ay,
hit
second
by
quarter.
Mr. Labitad.
Hubog na wala niya. Wala ko pataka lang. Wala kabalo asa siya paingon oh. Wala kabalo asa siya paingon.
Nabitsi na, nabitsi.
Mon, yung balay, tora dito mo na.
Oy, rebound by Coyens. Pasok para kay Arellano. Nagpapadala si Arellano. Arellano. Oy! Antoro, wala. Rebound by Cabalo. Cabalo. Foul on number 44. Labitad. Labitad, you had second personal foul. Second team foul. Two free throws by Mr. Cabalo. Wala ang unang attempt. Second attempt. Counted. Tumala. Score 31-29. Time remaining 2 minutes 46 seconds in the second quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Labitad. The steal by Arellano. Layup. Ay, wala. Nakusgan. Labitad. Ay, wala na.
Taas kayo.
Wala ko.
Kulang natik gamay. Manalo matalo, tuloy pa rin kaso.
La, nagbugot na. Muli, mag-aade ka ron.
Sagario, jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Kobe Bryant. Ay, pasa sa gitna. 2 points, Mr. Cabalo. 2 kids. Score 33-29. 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumala for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Obarco. Obarco, 2 points.
Grabe, bay! Pas-pas kayo bumalik, oy!
1 minute 45 seconds. Arellano, yes, 2 points. Labitad. Pagbago.
Yara.
Pau? What's that to? Pau? Oh, last touch there, last touch. Last touch. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds in the second quarter. Arellano to Namuag. To Antoro. Ay, batter sa foul. Foul on number 44. Oh, 16.
Wala ito. Second goal.
Baguio. Baguio have
Wala ito. Second goal din.
second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws by Mr. Anton.
Mula magsumpag di Pacquiao.
Wala.
Wala na kayo. Awa. Burot. Burot at kinkoy na muna. Balik kami. Tuwod. Pagana niya.
Second attempt. Yes, counted.
Wag sumbag di Pacquiao ba?
Score 36-31. Time remaining 1 minute 15 seconds. Kumala, wala. Iyaray po naman. Batter sa foul. Foul on number 3, Coyens. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws. Time remaining 1 minute 10 seconds.
Condition lang kaya karon toy.
In the second
Condition lang kaya karon.
Tumala first attempt.
Wala.
Ay, naka-out di mga goal, no? Inbound.
Second attempt. Yes, counted. 1 point. Mr. Tumala score 36-32. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Still by Labitan. Tumala. Tumala layup. Yes, foul counted. Foul, Mr. Arellano.
Ha?
Second foul. Working foul. Bonus free throw by Mr. Tumala.
Wara na mo lang naong, sir.
Mr. Tumala. Yes. Counted. Score 36-35. Time remaining 50 seconds. And 10.
Wala mo na gamit siya.
To Campalo. Campalo. Nilusot. Foul counted. Foul again, Mr. Lapitan.
Gulik.
Oh, counted. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Bonus free throw by Mr. Caballo. Time remaining 43 seconds. Caballo. Yes. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Sa ito offensive foul. Mr. Tumala. 40 seconds. Di wala kay offensive foul na wala din na sa pinalkuan. Ano?
Kuane, bap ni, bap.
Dapig. Ay, block by Mr. Baguio. What a block! Oh, by Cyrus Baguio.
Oo.
Namara for 3. Wala. 30 seconds. Oy, still by Namawa. Oy, but there's a foul on number 16, Baguio. Baguio, you have third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. Two free throws by Mr. Namuwag.
Namuwag o namawag?
Namuwang.
Counted.
Sige, magagawa ako ah.
Second attempt. Yes. 2 points. Score 41-35. Time remaining 26 seconds. Mr. Labitad. To Tumala. Block by Caballo. Tumala again. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Kobe Bryant. Yes, 2 points. Time remaining 12 seconds. Koyens. Is still by Mr. Baguio. 5 seconds. Tumala 2 points. Time for the second. Masimen. To Ocon for 3. Yes, 3 points, Mr. Ocon. Labaw na sila. Caballo for 3. Wala. Rebound by Tamparo. Pass to Rodrigo Dicard. Ay, still by Mr. Ocon. Ay, still by Arellano. Tunamuan, 2 points. Score. Labaw na po sila. 43-42. Time remaining 5 minutes, 23 seconds. Rodriguez. To Marcos Tamparo. 15 seconds to shoot. Masimen. Ay! 3 seconds.
John X.
Arellano to Caballo. Caballo ni diskarte jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Ocon to Tamparo. Tamparo to Dicard. Jump shot. Oy! Block by Mr. Antonio. Arellano. Obarco, 2 points.
Kondisyon mo kay Katoy ah.
Arellano. Tuan-tuan, jump shot. Yeah. 2 points. Antolo. Masiren. Captain Masiren to D-guard. D-guard. Pass to Tamparong. Open for 3. Wala. Rebound by Caballo.
Adlok mga mabali mong tuhod ah. Patay.
Masiren, wala. Tulong ka na, balik siya. Natulong. Good, 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 dagan! 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 Good na! Good na! Siga mo mo, Joe. Speaker, siga mo mo.
Isa.
Obarco! 3 points, Obarco!
Sir. Sir. Lubat. Lubat.
Balik lang!
Low. Namawa. Diskarte, jump shot. Yes, 2 points. Steal by Mr. Antolo. To Arellano. Time remaining 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Caballo, oy. There's a foul, Mr. Ocon. Second personal foul, second team foul. Jimmy Paca. Caballo. Foul counted. Foul on number 22. Obarco. Bonus free throw by Mr. Caballo. Caballo. Wala rin Banbayokon. Score 53-47. Okay na po niya guys. Masiren. D-guard for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Obarco. Obarco. Yes, 2 points. Injured.
Kaya kita, gulingon niya.
Time out toy. Di mo time out toy?
Alam mo na time out man sa gawa man siya musulot. Musulot na siya man time out na siya. Uy, Arellano. Tula mo. Arellano again. By 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Obarco. Ay, still by Arellano. To Antolo. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Tamparong. Time remaining. 1 minute, 35 seconds. Namawa, 2 points. Suko na D-guard ba? Okay, sat. Reserve. Door mo. Masiren. To D-guard. Back to Masiren. To Malak. To Malak. Jump shot. Yes, 2 points. Score 55-51. Time remaining 1 minute 3 seconds.
Di na mo, sir?
In the
Deserve,
third
deserve mo,
quarter,
Sam?
Mr. Arellano, teardrop. Yes, 2 points. Masirin. Masirin to Digard. Yes, 2 points. Seconds na lang, 35 seconds. Antolo. Foul. Okay. Time out. Team Toyens. Toyens. Cabano. Foul. Bagal sa foul ang number 22 o Barco. Third personal foul. Penalty. Kabalot. Four free throws.
Ay, kumpiyansa to, graduate juga na to.
Tarek. Yes. 1 point, Mr. Cabalo. Last attempt. No, grabe kay 2 hits. Rebound. Tumabarko. 25 seconds. Stay by Arellano. Arellano. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Toyens. Toyens for 3. Yes! Wow, grabe ngayon. Takbo mayaman. Foul number 9. Namuwag.
Okay, na yung coach, oh, na yung coach. Balda inyong
8
coach karon.
seconds remaining. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Labitan. Oh, tumala. Hoy! Tumala for 3. Yes! Time! Toyens, captain ball, playing coach. Tanan. Alaga, sahan pa. Toyens! Wala. Tumalat. Still by Arellano for Toyens. Ala, Toyens. Tuloy na. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Lapitan to Tamparong. Masiren. Ay! Blind pass to the blind man. Time remaining 6 minutes and 27 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Mr. Arellano. To Antolo Chacha. Yes! 2 points, Mr. Antolo. He scored 63-56 in favor of Team Toyens, Mr. Tumala. Discarte. And Mr. Blocking foul on number 23, Mr. Antolo. Third personal foul. First team foul. Masiren. Masiren. 2 points. Mr. Masiren. Ay! Ikasahan ang referee. Time remaining 5 minutes 43 seconds. Score. Hawa niya, Carl. Kaya ko kita sa score. 63-58. Rebound by Toyens to Arellano to Namuwag. 2 points. Arellano. Masiren. Masiren. To Mr. Ocon for 3. Alright. 3 points. Mr. Ocon. Score 61-65. Time remaining 5 minutes in the third and final quarter. Points. Wala. Rebound by Namua. Jump shot. 2 points. Masiren. Ay, sayang. Antolo for rebound. Mr. Caballo. 15 seconds to shoot. Antolo. Wala. Rebound by Tamparo. Tumala. Ay, wala. Tumala again. Yes, 2 points. Wala ni Peter. Wala ni Peter. Sige lang, sige lang. Panayon lang yun. Panayon. Caballo. Caballo, 2 points. Caballo for 3. Wala. Oy, bola. Last touch by Mr. Antolo. Still, ay. Time remaining 3 minutes, 54 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Labitad. Yes, sir. Tumala for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Toyens to Arellano. Pinamua, 2. Ay, wala. 2 points, Mr. Namuag. Score 69-63. Labawan Team Toyens. Time remaining 3 minutes, 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Labitad, jump shot. Yes, 2 points. Score 69-65. Time remaining 3 minutes, 12 seconds. Arellano. Namua to Caballo. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Arellano for 3. Wala. 15 seconds. Antolo. Wala. Yes, 2 points Mr. Antolo. Score 71-65. Masiren. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Namuag. Time remaining 2 minutes, 20 seconds. In the fourth and final quarter, Arellano. 15 seconds to shoot. Caballo, yes, 2 points. Tumala for 3. 3 points. 1 minute, 55 seconds. But there's a foul. Foul on number 8, Mr. Tumala. Second personal foul, second team foul. First team foul.
Lima na ako, lima.
Antolo. 10 seconds to shoot. Namao for 3. Wala. Rebound by Tamparo. To Tumala. Tamparo jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Tumala. Yes, 2 points. Tuloy na lang. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Mr. Caballo. Caballo rather sa foul. Foul on number 44, Mr. Labitad. Labitad, you have 1 for graduation. 2 free throws. Yes, sir. Time out. Reserve. Yeah, 1 minute, 16 seconds. Count it. Last throw. Count it. Time out, time out. Open to Mr. Navidad. To Tambaron. Open. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Antolo. But there's a foul on Mr. Masirin. Masirin.
Simi warning, simi.
Third team foul.
Murag mudaog lagit mo karon sir.
First personal foul.
O dili mailok.
One minute remaining. Arellano. 15 seconds to shoot. Koreans, wala. Rebound by Oganto. Pamara for 3. 3 points. Time remaining 40 seconds. Oops. But, wait. Sana siya? Unspun. Foul on Mr. Kumala. Unsportsmanlike foul. 2 free throws by Arellano. 2 free throws plus ball position. 2 free throws plus ball position. Arellano first attempt, wala. Time remaining 39 seconds. 75-73. Labaw with dos shooters ang Team Toyens. Walay rebound. Unspoman. Ball position. Fouled.
Oh, tanap.
39 seconds.
Tuluran na bay. May tsahan yun mag-tres dia karon. Overtime pa na.
39 seconds. Warning for team penalty.
Uy, warning mo.
Arellano.
Time out.
33 seconds. Masirin. 30 seconds. Ay. 27 seconds remaining. Antolo. Umamua. 15 seconds to shoot. Ganda sa foul. Foul on number 8. Mr. Kumala. Kumala, you have fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Sayang.
Time remaining 16 seconds. Namuha ang first attempt. Wala. O tayo, time out po.
Reserve time up daw.
Reserve na ba may time out? Tulungan ka time out, tulungan. Reserve. Oh, reserve. Wasak, reserve. Time out. Time out.
Toyens.
Coach
Toyens. Ala.
Time remaining 16 seconds. Oh, shot clock 14 seconds to shoot. Masirin. Ay, still Arellano. By foul. Foul on number 8, Tumalag. Congratulations.
Captain Ball.
No, Captain Bull.
Six nila, Captain Ball.
Captain Bull, sige.
Ina, pwede na na-host nila.
Ana.
Yeah, kay Toyens siya. Be. Hi sabi. Hi.
High vlog.
Ala, high vlog yan.
Penalty na day. Time remaining.
High vlog sabi? High vlog.
High vlog, welcome to my guys.
Kung pa eh, 2 years na playing coach niya. Arellano, yes, one point. 9 seconds remaining.
Second row.
Arellano. Wala.
Up, tawas. Hey.
Rebound ng Mr. Nagura. Wala na. Congratulations.